Hey everyone. Really quickly, I just wanted to pop on here and talk about accuracy and precision a little bit. So first, we're going to talk about accuracy. So accuracy is how close to the right answer the average is of a measurement. Okay, so if we are looking at this target right here, we want to get the bullseye, right? The goal is to get to the bullseye. So getting close to the accepted value. So all of these arrows are pretty accurate. They are very close to the bullseye. So to get the accuracy, you want to see how close you are to the accepted value. So another word for bullseye that we will be using instead of bullseye is the accepted value. Okay? And so the difference between accuracy and precision is that precision is how close the measurements are to each other. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily have to be close to the accepted value or the bullseye. Okay, these arrows are all very close to one another, so whoever threw these arrows are very precise. So we are measuring how close each value or arrow is to each other rather than to the accepted value. So to be precise, you get the same results over and over again, okay? And yes, you can be accurate and precise. The reason that this shows accuracy and not necessarily precision is because you can see that these two arrows are further apart than these arrows are. So this is not necessarily precise. To be precise and accurate, you would just move these four arrows with how close they are to the accepted value in the middle, and that would be accurate and precise, which is ideal, but not necessarily always the case. Okay, so accuracy is how close to the accepted value or the right answer you are, and precise is how close your values are to each other. Okay, so we won't necessarily be using bullseyes. So why is this important? Well, precise and accuracy comes in when we come to measuring. Let me get this so you can see it. I think my face is covering it a little bit. Is it better? Okay, so these are 5 values that I have, 14.98 grams, 14.62 grams, and so on. You can read, okay? So if my average of these 5 values is 14.83 grams, and the actual value or the accepted value, which is our bullseye, is 17.12 grams, would this be accurate or precise? So these numbers are not accurate because to be considered accurate, you want to be within 5% of the accepted value or the actual value, and 14.3 is not. So we are precise here, not necessarily accurate, okay? If the accepted value were to be, let's say, 14.9 or even 15.00 grams, okay, we would be accurate and precise. But because our actual value is so far off from the average, or the average is so far off from the actual value, we would say that these are precise.